Soja, soja, mamze música. Soja, música. Soja, mamze música. She said she love me, she go take me to mommy.
Hi guys, I'm back again, and yes, you saw in the thumbnail we're talking about the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by Rio de Janeiro. The hype on this product was so real, and I wanted to buy it, and then I went to the store and saw the price tag at Sephora. I was like, hello, goodbye, a rain check. I'll come back on a better day. Thank God he answered my prayers, and I got this in one of my BoxyCharm unboxings. When I used to do BoxyCharm, I actually got this on my last box. Yes, I canceled BoxyCharm, and that's just what it is. You know, you outgrow things, and it was about time. So if you want to know what I think about this cream right here, even though I'm quite late, better late than never, please do stay tuned. I will introduce myself quickly in French, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Ciao! Salut les amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Aujourd'hui, on parle de cette fameuse lotion pour le corps. Il s'agit du Bum Bum Cream, Bum Bum Brazilian Cream, par la compagnie qui s'appelle Rio de Janeiro. Et moi, je l'aime autant. C'est très bien. Pour le prix, quand je vous recommande un produit qui est haut de gamme, je justifie la cause. Donc je vais justifier la cause en anglais, donc je vous invite de rester sur place. On va bien discuter par rapport à pourquoi je l'aime, pourquoi je vous le recommande, même comme c'est un peu cher. Donc voilà, c'est tout. Merci encore. Les questions en français, on se rejoint sous la barre d'infos pour toute question, pour tout commentaire. On évite que la vidéo soit longue, et n'oubliez pas de prier le bon Dieu comme d'hab, et on se voit à la prochaine. Ciao, bye bye. All right, welcome back, guys. So now we're talking about the Salut de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Okay, this is the company is called Salut de Janeiro, and it is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It costs $45 for the large size at Sephora or wherever you can find it online, and they also have a deluxe size, which is about $20. And I think this was just a sample size that BoxyCharm was able to send in their subscription box. So what I wanted to say is, when I review a product that is high-end, I justify the cost. This right here, the hype is real. I am so obsessed with this cream that I definitely will wait when they have sales. As you can see, this is how it looks like inside, and definitely jump on this. This is something that I would definitely keep in my collection. Why? Because this is great for all skin types. As I mentioned, it definitely has a nice fragrance, not strong. It's not gonna overwhelm you. I am very particular about scents, and it's very refreshing and relaxing. You guys know when something is refreshing and relaxing, I'm here for it. And why I like this is because when I go to bed at night, I don't want to wear body sprays, or I don't want to be sneezing, I don't want to be having strong scents, and I feel like this is a perfect replacement for that. If you want to smell good for your boo, you know, at night, on a honeymoon, or whatever it is, on a date, this is a great scent for that. I mean, it's gonna be just good enough for you to make him want to, you know, get closer, or also refreshing for you. It's a nice scent. It helps you go to sleep, I think, and it's also good for those of you who don't like to wear perfumes or body sprays. I think this will be great because the scent is so long lasting compared to a lot of lotions that I've seen, and I really do appreciate that with this product. And the consistency is also great. I'm gonna swatch this for you guys right here. That is the white right there, and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, and as you can see, it's very fast absorbing. It's not greasy, it's not too oily, and it's not too thick. It's a perfect consistency, and it's very fast absorbing, and it doesn't stick. You know, during the summer, some of the products do stick onto your clothing and all that, and I believe that this does not do that. And oh, the smell, this is just one of a kind. I just love it, guys. And also the ingredients, again, here we're looking at ingredients. They're also better ingredients for your body. So if you're looking to splurge, if you like high-end products, if you know that you want to test this out and you're not sure, and you're looking for a small YouTuber like me to let you know what I think, I do think if you have the money to splurge, it's great, but always wait for the sales. You guys know Sephora has the sales twice a year. You guys can jump on that and get this, because I will be doing so, because this is one of those products where I feel like it's a must-have. It's an essential, especially for the summertime, even wintertime. You know, and the packaging is also so gorgeous, so why not? I mean, let me know what you guys think in the down bar about this beautiful cream right here. If you guys have tried it, if you will, what you think, and if you feel the same way I do. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's wonderful. I think it smells good. I think it is expensive, but some of us like to splurge and some of us like to wait for sales, so why not jump on this? You know, you have one life to live. Get what you can while you can, but be smart about it, because there's always something new coming out. So don't be rushing to get things. You know, I just review because I feel like it is helpful for those of you who do want to shop. And yeah, so that's my take on that. And lastly, it talks about tightening and smoothing your skin. I haven't used it enough to see if it does tighten or keep your skin nice and smooth. I don't know about all that. I don't think it would. I think that's more of like chemical grade type of thing. I don't know if this will be that intense for that kind of result, but everything else that it claims, I said 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Per usual, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And always praise God, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Ciao, bye bye. Thank you.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress. I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.